Hi, today I wanted to talk to you quickly about something that has changed my life and could totally change yours too. Real nutrition, the kind that impacts how you feel today, next week, and the rest of your life. You see, poor nutrition is the #1 cause of poor physical and mental health. And I didn't just study this as a holistic nutritionist, I lived it. And when push came to shove, I recognized how processed foods took a toll on my own health and my kids' health. Food was like an addiction, and we didn't even realize we had it until we changed the way we looked at food and ate it as medicine. But here is the frustrating truth. Even if we eat healthy today, we are still not getting everything we need. Our soil is depleted, nutrition has been bred out of our food, and that's why supplementing with the right kind of supplements is crucial. So we need to establish a strong nutritional foundation to allow the body to thrive as we age, so we continue to heal at a high level when life throws us a curveball. So here is what I'm so excited to share: doTERRA's VMG and Foundational Bundle. It's 3 simple steps, and it takes literally less than 2 minutes a day to change your life. So let me walk you through it. So step 1. First, we start with VMG. This is a little packet of nutrition magic. You just mix it with some cool water and drink it once a day. Super simple. But don't let that simplicity fool you. doTERRA's advanced technology has enhanced the healing power of nature. And inside this packet are 90 whole food ingredients, real food that your body actually loves to absorb. And most vitamins out there, your body doesn't even recognize as food. You end up with expensive urine and honestly some very colorful toilet water. So here are 3 things that sets VMG Plus apart and creates the blessings from nature. First, it uses liposomal technology, and that means the nutrients are wrapped in these tiny little fat bubbles, and so they glide straight into the cell, which are made of fat. Second, everything is methylated and chelated. These enhance absorption of the nutrients so your body can easily utilize them. This is especially important when you have the MTHFR mutation. 40% of the people do have it, and most have no idea. And since many people have unexplained respiratory or cardiac challenges due to low B1, methylated B vitamins are ready to oxygenate and detox. No worries, no guesswork. The third thing is VMG. This is the clincher. In doTERRA's clinical trials, nutrients from VMG Plus were found in the bloodstream 8 to 10 hours later. That means your body has access to nutrition all day long, like a steady drip of goodness. That is step 1. VMG, whole food nutrient, easy to pass into the cells, easy to absorb, and 1 packet feeds the body all day long. Then there's step 2. Next is the healthy fats with EO omega, and this is a metabolic game changer. 95% of us have way too many inflammatory omega-6 fats floating around thanks to processed foods, and not enough omega-3s. And we actually need that balance of 1-to-1 ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 for a healthy functioning heart, brain, memory, joints, skin, hormones, sleep, quality, hair, and skin health. You name it, it's essential. So E-omega gives you a clean source of omega-3s combined with wild orange essential oils to boost absorption and keep it fresh with no fishy burps. Well, honestly, if you hated fish as a kid, this will totally change your mind. You just simply chew these if you're not one who wants to swallow a capsule. They taste like little citrus gushers. Now, E-omega has over 2,000 milligrams of fish oil, 900 milligrams of omega-3, and 800 milligrams of EPA and DHA. Now, studies show major improvements like healthy diastolic blood pressure, more flexibility, better circulation, lipid profiles, sharper memory, calmer mood. And it's one of the easiest and most powerful investments in your future of your metabolic health. So take 3 E-omegas a day as step 2 in your 2-minute to change your life protocol. Last but not least, we want to be supporting our microbiome. Step 3, we support the gut because your gut is your second brain. With PB Restore, you're giving your body smart probiotics. The formula uses a double capsule delivery system to survive the stomach acid and get where it's needed. your lower intestines, and your colon. So PB Restore is packed with prebiotics, probiotics, postbiotics, and even special phages that hunt down bad microbes. And you're not just supporting your digestion, you're supporting healthy communications between your immune system, your emotional chemicals, and your skin and hormones. Everything. So, do we want good or bad microbes giving us messages? Do you want your body to say things like, I like fiber in vegetables versus feed me sugar? So when your gut microbiome is happy, you are happy. Literally 90% of your serotonin is made in the gut and 30% dopamine. And studies show disruptions in a woman's microbiome after antibiotics can raise her risk of anxiety, panic attack, and depression by 24% after a year. A second round of antibiotics doubles the percentage of emotional turmoil. So PB Restore helps rebuild the whole body foundation of microbiome, not just the gut. It rebuilds the microbiome of the skin, the brain, the oral cavity, respiratory, and the urogenital tract. So to wrap it up here, there are 2 minutes a day to change your life. Number 1, drink your delicious VMG whole food nutrient pack once a day that create a foundational strength. Take your 3 yummy E-omegas for improved healthy aging and metabolic health, and take your 1 PB Restore to establish whole body healthy microbiome communication. So less than 2 minutes a day, that's it. So I challenge you to give it 90 days, which is the amount of time it takes to turn over your red blood cells, and be amazed at what happens. There are 2 types of people: those who are struggling with their health and those who want to keep their health that they have worked so hard for. How much would it be worth to you to fix your foundational health so your body can start fixing itself? Your energy, your skin, your mood, your digestion, your sleep, things you didn't even realize were off. Plus, doTERRA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't feel a difference in mood, energy, and movement. So it's risk-free. Your body is made to heal. It just needs the right tools. So let me know if you're open to trying VMG Omega Wellness Bundle, and we will build this foundation together. Contact me if you are ready to start.